I used to have hard drives full of raw files everywhere. My storage system was a mess. But now, huge storage capacity, crazy fast speeds, no more need for Dropbox, easy to use, access from anywhere, share access with others, data protection with RAID, just some of the reasons why this is now the heart of my business, the UGREEN NAS DXP4800 Pro. So to start this video, I'm going to show you that I wasn't lying in the intro, and this is going to be quite embarrassing. So I'm going to show you that over here, I have just some of the hard drives that I've accumulated over the years. All different sizes, shoebox full of them here as well. This, I feel, is quite telling. All this doesn't even include, there's the camera I film myself on now, doesn't include these hard drives as well that are the active ones on my desk. So as you can see, it was a mess. So when UGREEN very kindly sent me their NAS system to try, the UGREEN NAS DXP4800 Pro, I was really curious to see if this could replace all of that chaos with something far more organized and reliable. Now, I want to start this video by explaining what a NAS drive is, because I'll be honest, it's been very new to me. I'll share my experience of setting it up for the first time. I'll tell you what I found to be the 5 biggest benefits of this NAS system. I'll tell you why it's already completely changed how Helen and I run Flashmasters. And finally, if you can relate to my hard drive issue and my chaotic storage system, why this system could help you in exactly the same way that it's helping me. So to start with, it's important to say that I have never owned a NAS drive before this one, and I wasn't aware of all the benefits that they can offer. Plus, I'm not a very techie person. You can probably tell that by all the hard drives. So I've been put off NAS drives in the past because I thought they were very, very complicated things. I mean, even the name itself, NAS, which stands for Network Attached Storage, sounds far too geeky for someone like me who basically just wants to go out and take photographs. But I should not have had those fears, because this NAS was so easy to set up, and even though I've only been using it for a couple of weeks, I can already see how it's going to make storing and managing my files so much easier. It's honestly been a night and day difference. I'll be honest, before being sent this unit, I had thought that a NAS drive was just a big fancy external hard drive where you just dumped all your files. But I was very, very wrong. This is so much more than that. The best way I can describe this, having now used it for a couple of weeks, is that the UGREEN NAS DXP4800 Pro is like owning your own private Dropbox or Google Drive, but with the potential of virtually limitless capacity, much faster speeds, and no monthly subscription fees to pay. So just like a cloud storage option like Dropbox, I can access this drive from anywhere in the world, and I can also allow others to do the same. I'm always in control and I set the rules, but it's very easy to set up shared folders and invite whoever I want to access them. So although this is obviously a physical drive, I mean, we can see it here, and it will live in your home or your office, what it's offering you is far more of a cloud-based system than simply a backup external hard drive. So with this NAS, you're getting your own private cloud storage system, which you can access from anywhere. But you're also getting the speed of a physically connected hard drive. So you're getting the best of both worlds in one, honestly, amazing system. I'm going to talk about this a little bit later in the video as well, but one of my favorite things about this drive already is that this is now the home of all Flashmasters content. Everything we've ever produced within Flashmasters now lives on this NAS drive. And the great thing is that both Helen and I have access to it, so we can both access anything we want on here at the same time without even needing to be near to the drive, and it's so much more efficient for us. It's already making things so much easier. Now, one of the biggest problems of using, say, Dropbox or Google Drive, and I use both of those things, is that you only get a relatively small amount of cloud storage space, and that will get eaten up very, very quickly if you're a photographer like me who is coming back from every wedding with not just thousands of raw files, but also a mountain of video files too. Now, in comparison, the UGREEN NAS DXP4800 Pro can have up to 144 terabytes of storage if you put big hard drives in it, which is huge compared to what you would be getting with Dropbox or say Google Drive. And you won't have any of the subscription fees to pay either. And because a NAS is on your local network, it will be much faster than a Dropbox or a Google Drive as well. So in a nutshell, you're getting all the advantages of a cloud system, but at much faster speeds. Now, it also means that because this is giving you your own private cloud, you don't need your computer or your laptop to be physically connected to it. That's something that I didn't realize about NAS drives before I received this. So the great thing is I can now work on my laptop anywhere in the house and still get access to everything on this at crazy fast speeds, and so can Helen. Honestly, it's only been 2 weeks, but it's already making things so much easier and more efficient for both of us. Now, before I get a bit more technical, that's not going to be fun, and I tell you why the UGREEN DXP4800 Pro is so impressive, let me give you the 5 biggest benefits that I found of using this system over my old way of working. Number 1, it's very obvious, but having everything in one place. As the UGREEN DXP4800 Pro can hold up to 144 terabytes of storage, I can store everything on this without worrying about running out of space, which obviously makes managing my files so much simpler. For example, last year, well, and up until the point of me getting this drive, this is one of the drives I was working from on an almost daily basis. Now, this is 2 terabytes, but to put it into context, this NAS could hold 70 of these drives. Now, I don't have that much space in here at the moment, but the great thing is I can increase the storage in this in the future should I want to by putting in larger capacity drives. Number 2, and this is a big one, with a NAS like this, you're getting protection from data loss via RAID. So this NAS, as you can see, has space for 4 internal hard drives. And as you can see here, putting in those drives is really easy. It just takes a few seconds. Now, having 4 drives means that it offers built-in data loss protection in the form of RAID. Now, I won't go into the various forms of RAID in this video, but just know that RAID is a system which can prevent you from losing your data should any one of these drives fail. So I have the DXP4800 Pro set up in what is called a RAID 5 system, and that means that if any one of these hard drives fails, and sadly it will eventually, I won't lose all my data. If one of these drives fails, I simply take it out and replace it with a new one, and the system will rebuild itself. So RAID gives you peace of mind that if one of your drives fails, you won't lose all your data. Number 3, and I've mentioned this a couple of times in this video already, but another one of my favorite features of the UGREEN DXP4800 Pro is that I can access this drive from my phone, my iPad, my laptop, from anywhere in the world. And I can share that access with other people as well, which makes it an amazing tool if you're working in a team. And this is something that has been genuinely huge to me and my partner Helen in the running of Flashmasters. So as you may know, Flashmasters is the online education brand which we run together, and as such we both need access to the same files and folders on an almost daily basis. Now, up until now we've been doing that by sharing a Dropbox folder, but the problem with that has been that we always need far more storage for all that Flashmasters content than Dropbox is able to offer us. So we're continually having to delete and add folders from that shared folder to stay within our allocated Dropbox allowance. In the past, we've even had to resort to airdropping stuff to each other. It's been very time consuming and very frustrating. But now, and I love that I can say this, everything Flashmasters related, every video file, every tutorial, every live stream, all the podcasts, the images, everything, all the awards, everything, literally everything is now all on here. And what's really nice is that the NAS doesn't even need to be in either of our offices. It just sits elsewhere in the house, quietly doing its thing, and we both connect to it from wherever we are. Almost overnight, and I'm so pleased I can say this, it's made running Flashmasters so much easier and more streamlined. Honestly, it's been such a big relief, and it's been worth it for that alone. Number 4, no need for online storage subscriptions. Now, I would never recommend having all your data in one place. You never want to do that. Never have all your data eggs in one basket. So I will still be keeping my large externals that I showed you before that are just behind this camera for another form of backup. But I do plan on now cancelling my Dropbox and Google Drive subscriptions because, as I mentioned earlier, the UGREEN DXP4800 Pro NAS can offer me everything which they could and much more. Now, there's no getting away from it, and NAS does have significant upfront costs, especially at the moment with the price of hard drives increasing. But once you've bought the NAS itself and obviously the drives which go inside it, you're done. That's it. That's the end of your payments. Whereas you could be paying for online storage for many years to come. So over the long term, you will probably end up saving money by using a NAS. Again, though, I'm just saying this again because I want to be so careful. I am not saying put everything into one system. I would never ever recommend that. And I still will be using those large, slow external drives that are behind the camera there for backup. But the difference is I won't be using them now on a daily basis. They will just be there for backup. Number 5. It's quite simple. This just feels like a proper professional system. It's that simple. I mean, you saw all the hard drives that I've got down here. That's what I was working with. So not only does the UGREEN NAS DXP4800 Pro look really good, it's also really quiet, and it won't even be living in my office. So it won't take up any extra space on my desk. As I mentioned earlier, it's also crazy fast. For example, as you can see here, I can drag hundreds of raw files across to it and they just fly. So it's noticeably faster than when I was working off my external drives. Okay, we've got to that techie bit now, so bear with me. So if you follow me, you'll know that I'm not particularly a technical person. I'm a photographer. I'm not a computer programmer. So I'm not even going to pretend that I know what the next 20 seconds or so even means. But from my research, I believe that this is very impressive. Here goes. Now, this NAS is powered by a 13th gen Intel Core i3 processor, whatever that is, but I'm told that it gives it a lot more performance than entry-level systems, and it means that it can handle multiple tasks at once without slowing down. It has fast network connectivity, including one 10 gig port and one 2.5 gig port, which allows for very fast file transfers, as I'm showing you here. Now, in real-world terms, that means that when you come back from a wedding and you transfer raw files to this, they are going to absolutely fly across. Now, trust me, you don't need to understand all this technical stuff. I don't know what it means, but what's important to know is that this is a very powerful, future-proof system that's built to handle serious creative workloads. This NAS is not designed for casual use. It's built for creators, photographers, and basically anyone who is dealing with a lot of data on a very regular basis. One of the things you'll probably want to know is how hard is this to set up, and I'll be honest, I was scared to do that because I was expecting it to be really complicated, but honestly, it wasn't. It was really easy. You could just simply get it out of the box, you put the drives in, which again is really easy, you turn it on, and then you just follow a really simple step-by-step setup process. Now, I run everything through UGREEN's UGOS Pro system, which is basically just like an app for this drive which you have on your computer, and you then open that app to access all the settings and the admin areas and all the complicated stuff. But on a day-to-day basis, I don't use that app very much at all. Instead, what I do is I have this NAS mapped within my Mac Finder, so it just looks like any other external drive within Finder, and that's how I use it. So long story short, this is what it all comes down to really. If, like me, you've never used a NAS before and you've been put off by not understanding them or thinking that they're really complicated to set up, this was me, this was all me, I promise you this one is not like that. If I could set this up as easily and quickly as I did, you definitely can. So in the 2 weeks that I've been using this, the UGREEN NAS DXP4800 Pro has proved to be secure, reliable, fast, and honestly, business changing. I can already see that this is going to be a central hub for all my data from now on. The fact that I can access my data from any of my devices, wherever I am, is going to be so useful. What I do want to make very clear though, is that if you're someone who, say, just wants to store holiday photographs, then something like this is going to be way overkill for your needs. UGREEN do offer other options, which I'll put on the screen here, which will probably be more suitable if that is the case. But if you are a photographer, a YouTuber, videographer, a studio photographer, content creator, basically anyone who is continually creating huge amounts of important data, as I am, then this is an exceptionally good solution. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, my old system did work but since I've been using this, I have really realized just how messy, chaotic, embarrassing and inefficient it actually was. This thing, my new best friend, is already the heart of Flashmasters, and I know that it will soon be the heart of my own business too. I've honestly loved setting it up, loved getting started with it, and the more I use it, the more I'm enjoying it. But just remember, for the third time, I will still always recommend having another backup system alongside this. You never want to rely on one single system for all your data. That is just asking for trouble. But this is the thing which I will be actively working on now on a day-to-day basis, and it's going to help me so much. I'd like to say a big thank you to UGREEN for inviting me to try this NAS, and also for their help with the questions that I've had. So if you'd like to check out the UGREEN NAS DXP4800 Pro, I'll leave links in the description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.